Sa araw na ito, ay nice ko po sa inyo i-share ang top 100 best tourist spots in Morocco. Kung may po kayo pong makipalabas sa tahanan ito, ay pwede po kayo mag-comment down below. At kung may naspan po ng shoutout, ay pwede rin din po mag-comment down below. At i-shoutout po natin po sa mga susunod po mga palabas. So, heto na, sisimulan na po natin ang mga tourist spots sa Morocco. So, hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
Ika-100 is Todra Gorge. It is located in Tinirhir, Morocco. It is a series of limestone river canyons in the eastern part of the High Atlas Mountains. Number 99 is Agadir Crocodile Park. It is located in Agadir, Morocco. It was built in year 2015. It is the first crocodile park in Agadir. Number 98 is Rabat Beach. It is located in Rabat, Morocco. It is magnificent with pearl white sands and endless scenery view. Number 97 is Dunes and Desert Quad Marrakesh. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It is famous for its quad biking, buggy riding, mountain biking, and camel riding. Number 96 is Emgon Valley. It is located in Ra'a Tafi Lalet in Morocco. It is home to the second highest peak in Morocco. Number 95 is Marinid Tombs. It is located in Fez, Morocco. It was built in year 1400s. It was a royal necropolis for the Meridid dynasty of sultans. Number 94 is Ifrane National Park. It's located in Middle Atlas Mountains in Morocco, established in year 2004. It is home to the world's largest population of Barbary macaques. Number 93 is Paradise Valley. It's located in Agadir, Morocco. It is a hidden valley known for its broad biodiversity. Number 92 is Charana Beach. It's located in Nador, Morocco. It boasts breathtaking aqua waters and pristine shoreline hugged by rocky mountains. Number 91 is Agdal Gardens. It's located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1157. It is UNESCO World Heritage Site. It contains several historic water reservoirs. Number 90 is Souk El Had. It's located in Agadir, Morocco. It was built in year 1960. It is the largest urban souk in Morocco. Number 89 is Emgon UNESCO Global Geopark. It's located in Ra'a Tafi Lalet in Morocco. It is famous for its spectacular footprints of sauropod and theropod dinosaurs. Number 88 is Sea of Dunes. Located in Sahara Desert in Morocco. It is the king of Moroccan deserts and used for films because of its fire orange sand dunes. Number 87 is Fint Oasis. It's located in Ouarzazate in Morocco. Also called Door of the Desert, it serves as the setting for a number of Hollywood films. Number 86 is Kasbah Amredil. It is located in Iskoura, Morocco. It was built in year 1700s. It is a castle appeared in 50 dirhams and where many famous movies were filmed. Number 85 is Mahama Dupacha. It is located in Casablanca, Morocco. It was built in year 1942. It is the former Muslim Pasha's court in Casablanca. Number 84 is House of Photography. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 2009. It exhibits the history of Marrakesh and Morocco from 1870 to 1950 in photographs. Number 83 is the Orientalist Museum. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 2018. It displays collection of Orientalist paintings and related arts. Number 82 is Solid Golf Club. It is located in Agadir, Morocco, established in year 1991. It is an 18-hole course set in the middle of eucalyptus forest. Number 81 is TZNT Pass. It is located in Ouarzazate, Morocco. It was built in year 1936. It is the most famous mountain pass in Morocco. Number 8 is Jebel Sagro. It is located in High Atlas Mountains, Morocco. It is a mountain range in Sahara and home to nomads and traditional Berber people. Number 79 is Jebel Sirwa. It is located in Anti-Atlas Mountain, Morocco. It is an extinct stratovolcano set in a unique landscape famous for its Berber rugs. Number 78 is Mohammed V Square. It is located in Casablanca, Morocco. It was built in year 1916. It is the administrative center of the city of Casablanca. Number 77 is Cabo Negro Beach. It is located in Tetuan, Morocco. It was built in year 1978. It is a beach resort famous for its Royal Gold Club, golden sand, and Kamsi water. Number 76 is Saadian Tombs. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1600s. A UNESCO heritage site, it is a mausoleum of the Saadian dynasty who ruled Morocco. Number 75 is Toubkal National Park. It's located in High Atlas Mountains, Morocco. It is home to the majestic Toubkal mountain range. It is a well known for hiking. Number 74 is Cinema Museum. It's located in Ouarzazate, Morocco. It was built in year 1982. It displays a collection of posters of all the movies filmed in Ouarzazate. Number 73 is Agafay Desert. It's located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It is a popular spot for adventurous squad biking trips and tent camping experiences. Number 72 is Grand Soko. It is located in Tangier, Morocco. It was built in year 1948. Known as Big Square, it is a historic roundabout between Old Medina and Tangier. Number 71 is Anime Garden. It's located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 2016. It is artist Andres Heller 2-acre botanical garden with peculiar sculptures of plants. Number 70 is Boujouloud Garden. It is located in Azrou, Morocco. It is considered as the oldest garden in Morocco. Number 69 is Bastion des Larmes. It is located in Salé, Morocco. It was built in the 1700s. It is a famous historical landmark in Salé. Number 68 is Souss-Massa National Park. It is located in Agadir, Morocco, established in year 1991. It provides the most important habitat in Morocco for birdlife. Number 67 is Nikki Beach. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1998. It is the most famous beach club concept in the world. Number 66 is Spanish Mosque. It is located in Chefchaouen in Morocco. It was built in year 1920. It is a perfect place to behold the blue city and watch the sunset behind the green hills. Number 65 is Mount Toubkal. It is located in High Atlas Mountains, Morocco. It is the highest mountain in Morocco and North Africa. Number 64 is Agadir Beach. It is located in Agadir, Morocco. It is considered as the best known beach in Morocco. Number 63 is Cape Esparta Lighthouse. It is located in Tangier, Morocco. It was built in year 1865. It marks the passage from the Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea. Number 62 is Al Morabid, Cuba. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1200s. It was a cross between Islamic monks and soldiers. It is Marrakesh's oldest monument. Number 61 is Nouria Golf Club. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco, established in year 2014. It is the most unique golf course in Marrakech with traditional Moroccan architecture. Number 60 is Rabat National Zoo. It is located in Rabat, Morocco. It was built in year 1973. It is a zoological park specializes Moroccan, Saharan, and African fauna. Number 59 is Ras El Ma. It's located in Chefchaouen in Morocco. It was built in year 1942. It is an abandoned World War II military airfield in Morocco. Number 58 is Talasem Tani National Park. It is located in Chefchaouen in Morocco, established in year 2004. It conserves the last of Morocco's threatened fir forests. Number 57 is Hercules Caves. It is located in Tangier, Morocco. This cave has two openings, one to sea and one to land. The sea opening is map of Africa. Number 56 is Al Tarine Madrasa. It is located in Fez, Morocco. It was built in year 1325. It is a historic Islamic religious institute. It literally means the madrasa of the perfumers. Number 55 is Ladim Square. It is located in Meknes, Morocco. It was built in year 1672. It is the main square and the center of activity for the Medina in Meknes. Number 54 is Medina of Tetuan. It is located in Tetuan, Morocco. It was built in year 1500s. A UNESCO site, it is famous for its School of Arts, Crafts, and National Institute of Fine Arts. Number 53 is Bab Agnao Gate. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1190. It is one of the best known gates of Marrakesh. Number 52 is Jardins Exotics. It is located in Rabat, Morocco. Established in year 1951. It is a garden created by French horticulturalists with full of exotic plant life. Number 51 is the Secret Garden. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1800s. It is famous for its irrigation system and full of the traditional Moroccan architecture. Number 50 is Cyber Park. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1800s. It is a vast botanical garden with fountains, lush foliage, and walkways. Number 49 is Akchor Falls. It is located in Chefchaouen in Morocco. It is popular for hiking with different series of waterfalls. Number 48 is Palmeri Golf Club. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco, established in year 2013. It has been voted the best golf complex in Africa since 2006. Number 47 is Oud Kamaiden Sky Resort. It is located in Oud Kamaiden in Morocco. It is a place in Morocco where skiing is possible. It is the highest skylift in Africa. Number 46 is Andalusian Garden. It is located in Rabat, Morocco, established in year 1918. It features manicured landscape occupying the grounds of a former palace. Number 45 is Essaouira Beach. It is located in Essaouira, Morocco. It is a famous beach for soaking up the Atlantic coast while in water sports like surfing. Number 44 is Tiskewin Museum. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1900s. It houses Moroccan art and artifacts by the Dutch anthropologists. Number 43 is Osaria Water Park. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It is the largest and first water park in Morocco. Number 42 is Palace of Galoui. It is located in Telouet, Morocco. It was built in year 1860. This kasbah was the seat of the El Galoui family's power. Number 41 is Pondok Nejarin. It is located in Fez, Morocco. It was built in year 1711. It is a museum dedicated to the wooden arts and crafts of Morocco. Number 40 is Rabat Archaeological Museum. It is located in Rabat, Morocco. It was built in year 1928. It exhibits the history of Morocco from prehistoric times to the Islamic era. Number 39 is Menar Gardens. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1200s. It is UNESCO World Heritage Site and the most famous garden in Marrakesh. Number 38 is Mausoleum of Moulay Ismail. It is located in Meknes, Morocco. It was built in year 1703. It is the resting place of the most famous sultans of the country. Number 37 is Kasbah Museum. It is located in Tangier, Morocco. It was built in year 1400s. It is a former sultan's palace turned to museum of arts and crafts from archaeological sites. Number 36 is Rabat Old Market. It is located in Rabat, Morocco. It was built in year 1200s. It has an array of Moroccan restaurants, souvenir shops, cafes, and textile shops. Number 35 is Les Jardins de Locotubia. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1859. It is a popular 5-star hotel in Marrakesh that boasts 108 rooms, 3 restaurants, and a spa. Number 34 is Dar Jamai Museum. It is located in Meknes, Morocco. It was built in year 1881. It displays traditional ceramics, jewelry, textiles, and cedar woodcraft. Number 33 is Museum of Moroccan Arts. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1894. It is the oldest museum in the city with the greatest number of works of art exhibited. Number 32 is Kasbah Udayas Fortress. It is located in Rabat, Morocco. It was built in year 1150. It served as an important center of the Republic of Saleh. Number 31 is Burj Nord. It is located in Fez, Morocco. It was built in year 1582. It is the largest weapon museum in Africa. Number 30 is Koutoubia Mosque. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1147. It is the highest structure and largest mosque in Marrakesh. Number 29 is Ouzd Falls. It is located in Azilal in Morocco. It is the second tallest waterfall in Africa and the most photographed natural site in Morocco. Number 28 is Ibis St. Laurent Museum. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 2017. It is a museum dedicated to the French fashion designer of Haute Couture clothing. Number 27 is Arab League Park. It is located in Casablanca, Morocco. It was built in year 1913. It is the most popular green areas and the oldest tourism park in Casablanca. Number 26 is Medina of Fez. It is located in Fez, Morocco. It was built in year 900 AD. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is the largest Medina and maze in the world. Number 25 is Dar Batha Museum. It is located in Fez, Morocco. It was built in year 1907. It is a former royal palace turned into a museum of ceramics and pottery. Number 24 is El Jadida Fortress. It is located in Casablanca, Morocco. It was built in year 1600s. It is a Portuguese fortification designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 23 is Marrakech Museum. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1997. It is a historic palace and museum of collection of traditional art objects of Morocco. Number 22 is Bahia Palace. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1866. It is a palace most famous for its decoration. Number 21 is Mausoleum of Mohammed V. It is located in Rabat, Morocco. It was built in year 1971. It commemorates for Mohammed V who led Moroccans for independence from France. Number 20 is El Badi Palace. It's located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1593. It is a palace built by Saadian Sultan Al-Mansur to celebrate his victory over Portugal. Number 19 is Agadir Fortress. It is located in Agadir, Morocco. It was built in year 1540. It is the most famous historical landmark in Agadir. It is also called Agadir on the Hill. Number 18 is Blue Gate. It is located in Fez, Morocco. It was built in year 1200s. It is the main entrance in Fez and the world's largest surviving medieval city. Number 17 is Moroccan Jewish Museum. It is located in Casablanca, Morocco. It was built in year 1997. It is the only museum devoted to Judaism in the Arab world. Number 16 is Tangier American Legation Museum. It's located in Tangier, Morocco. It was built in year 1821. It traces the history of the relationship between the US and Morocco. Number 15 is House of the Pasha. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1910. It is a palace converted into a museum. It is a beautiful example of Moroccan architecture. Number 14 is Museum of African Contemporary Art Al Maaden. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 2016. It showcases art from Morocco and its neighboring countries across a range of media. Number 13 is Bu Aniya Madrasa. It is located in Fez, Morocco. It was built in year 1357. It is the only madrasa or Islamic learning center in Morocco to have a minaret. Number 12 is Habus Quarter Souk. It is located in Casablanca, Morocco. It was built in year 1920. It is a place to buy traditional products and giving tourists a real taste of Moroccan culture. Number 11 is Mohammed VI Museum of Contemporary Arts. It is located in Rabat, Morocco. It was built in year 1956. It is the first Moroccan public museum to meet international museography standards. Number 10 is Park Sindibad. It is located in Casablanca, Morocco. It was built in year 2014. It is the largest theme park in Morocco. It is named after Middle East fictional hero Sinbad. Number 9 is Morocco Mall. It is located in Casablanca, Morocco. It was built in year 2011. It is the largest shopping mall in Africa. It has the world's third largest aquarium. Number 8 is the ruins of Chela. It is located in Rabat, Morocco. It was built in year 120 AD. It is the ruin of the ancient Roman city of Sala Colonia. Number 7 is Royal Palace of Rabat. It is located in Rabat, Morocco. It was built in year 1864. It is the primary and the official residence of the King of Morocco. Number 6 is Hassan Tower. It is located in Rabat, Morocco. It was built in year 1199. Its tower is the world's largest minaret. Its mosque is the largest in Western Muslim world. Number 5 is Casablanca Cathedral. It is located in Casablanca, Morocco. It was built in year 1930. It is a former Roman Catholic church with Moroccan and European architectural style. Number 4 is Hassan II Mosque. It is located in Casablanca, Morocco. It was built in year 1993. It is the second largest mosque in Africa and the 7th largest in the world. Number 3 is La Mamounia. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1923. It is a famous 5-star hotel in Marrakesh. It is voted as the best hotel in the world. Number 2 is Majorel Garden. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1923. It is Morocco's most visited attraction. It is a garden host 15 bird species in North Africa. At ang nangunguna po sa ating listahan ayon sa survey ay ang Medina of Marrakesh. It is located in Marrakesh, Morocco. It was built in year 1062. It is the main square in Medina of Marrakesh. It is UNESCO World Heritage Site.
A few moments later.
Salamat po ng napakarami po sa inyo pong panonood. Kung nyo po ito pong nagustuhan, ay maaari po natin po itong share sa ating mga friends. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!